I just summarized this video of Russell Brunson, the owner of a $160 million company, ClickFunnels. Russell shared how you can get free customers in 23 different ways without paying ads. How cool is that? Here's an interesting customer getting method that Russell shared.
The next category is how to get traffic from SEO without actually doing any SEO. Go to Google and type in the keyword that you wished you were ranked for on page number 1, and then notice who are the people on the top 10. Okay, those people have already done all the hard work to rank, and most times you can buy ads directly on their pages. This makes it so you can get literally on page number 1 in Google without doing any SEO whatsoever. Number 10 is
That's interesting. But where are you going to send this traffic? Okay guys, there are 3 steps involved, and in step number 3, you will learn to earn $1,000 per day. So starting with step number 1.
very similar, but instead of putting just a banner ad on the top of the page that's already ranked for your dream keyword, get them to put an actual opt-in form. Number 11 is instead of having a banner ad or an opt-in form, you can actually have an exit pop. So when somebody comes to that page and they leave, you can grab that traffic and direct it back to your websites and to your funnel.
You actually need a website, opt-in page, and an offer. And if you don't have them, don't worry. In step number 3, I will solve your problem. Now, once you start getting traffic and customers from Russell's method, send them to your website or your opt-in page. In step number 2, go to websites like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or ClickBank. Go to affiliate section and click offers. You'll see hundreds of offers that you can request your personal affiliate link for, and then send all your traffic to affiliate offer. Now it's time to get paid when traffic will buy from you. However, you still have problem with website, opt-in page, and an offer. This is why we created a program where affiliates can promote high ticket affiliate offers, and all the technical work, including opt-in page, funnel, email automation, and everything else is 99% done for you. To learn more, check my profile, the first comment and caption for a free case study.